Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have configured the AI Profit Trend Trader so that it performs very well in BitMEX exchange. I have considered the volume volatility factor as well as the price momentum factor as well. So which takes this particular algorithm on another level. So if you are trading for 15-minute start in BitMEX, uh, I have configured it so that it best performs on a 15-minute chart. If you consider 10-minute chart and 5-minute chart, it will be too volatile. So 15-minute chart, you will get a good indication of what the trend is. So let us test this. So currently I'm getting around 88% profitable. I consider from the 1st of April to the today's date, which is 4th of May. So along with this indicator, you'll get this backtest indicator as well, which you can test the strategy. So you can check the performance summary and list of trades that is taken. You can see the long entry buy at 7693, sold at 7718 with 0.32% profit, 7696 and 773, that is again long and like exit long. You can see most of the time it is profitable. 7761, 8323, 7.23% profit. See, what I'm telling is, since you are trading in BitMEX, if you use 10x or 5x leverage, you have to multiply this by 5 or 10. So you can see the kind of the profit. If you multiply it by 5 or a 10, you can usually get 3.2% here. If you are using 10x leverage, it is a 51% from 8352 to 8781. Sorry for the interruption. The internet got. Uh, so okay, see, you can see it can take. It had entered at 9220 9245. It will give you proper signals. I don't think so. You will be ever at loss. Most of the times you will be in profit. See 8615 and 8727 with a profit of 1.3%. If you are using 10%, 10x leverage, it will become easily 11%. Take recent trades. Entry long again, see 8851, you are selling at 8890 with 0.47%. Since you are dealing in BitMEX, uh, all this profit, even if it sounds small, since you are using leverage also, so you can easily make 5 to 6 on an average you can easily make more than 5% per trade. So if you are using high leverage, I am talking about 5x leverage. If you are using 20, 25, 30, 30x leverage, you can easily make at least 10 to 15% per trade. In this you can even get short sell signals and long signals as well. See, we got it is 4th of May 12:45. We got BTC buy order at 8643 and we got sell order at 8661. Again we got buy at 8661 in this range and it reached 8862. See, what you can do is you can keep one tab of this particular indicator on your trading view and another tab you can open BitMEX and look for the confirmation. Once you get this blue triangle, keep an alert. Once you get this blue triangle, start entering with 10x or 20x trade. Since this algorithm will work most of the time, 88% times it is profitable. So I don't think so that you will be at loss at any time. But don't forget to use stop loss. If you want double confirmation, you can draw trend lines. I don't think so. You require trend line for this. But in case of a choppy market like this, just if you want to be highly accurate, since it's already 88% accurate, if you want to be more than 95% accurate, you can just draw trend line and get confirmation whether to enter the trade or not. So here you can see there's a horizontal support that is formed and the kind of the triangle is getting formed here. So it broke out and it reached here. I got around somewhere around. 2.17% profit. That's again if you're using leverage. If you're using 20x leverage, you would have made easily 40% profit. So I will show you how much money you would have made. Suppose if you had started trading right from 1st of May in an Excel sheet. I'll pause the video. I'll show you how much money you would have made if you suppose you had have started with even 0.10 BTC. I'll pause the video now and again I'll record. So you started with 0.1 BTC initial balance on 1 May. Now we'll backtest this manually. Suppose you got a entry here, so you'll enter here 8626 and you got sell order at 8735. And guys, I will be using 25x leverage in BitMEX. I started with 0.1 BTC. I got buy and sell 8626 and 8735. I got a profit of 1.26% and 25x leverage. So my final balance became 0.13 BTC. So we'll continue seeing it manually. Okay, I got a buy entry at 8725, sell entry at 8754. 8725, 8754. Okay, this is done. Okay, I got a buy entry at 8790, 8952. 8790 and 8952. So what I'm doing is I'm using the same balance and using, suppose if I'm trading with 0.10, now it became 0.13. Now I will use 0.13 and then again I trade with 25%, 25x leverage. Next, so I will be using the cumulative balance only. I'll use the entire balance. So we'll keep on doing this. I'll pause the video, then I will record all the entries here. So I completed this. Now let us complete this. 8824, 8897, 8897. You can skip this part of the video. 8892, 8967, 8967, 8887, 9114. 9032, 9063, 032, 9063. Now here at 8653, 8667, 8653, 8667. We got a long here 8660. It reached 8846. Okay, suppose if I sold it here, I won't sell, but I will consider it that I will sell it here. So I bought it at 8674 and I'll consider I sold it at 8831. 8674, 8831, somewhere near. Okay, so we got only one negative, so rest all is win. As you can see guys, the total final balance is 0.38 and initial balance is 0.1. So this all these things we done in just a matter of 4 days, 5 days. So how many trades we took? We took around 14 trades in the span of 4 days, and 0.1 becoming 0.38. It is just like 3.8x. So 3.8x in 4 days. Since BTC BTC is also in uptrend, so it is also helping us. So even if it is in downtrend, you would have made somewhere between 2x, not less than that. Okay, so I'm still, this is just a beta version of my indicator. If you see the pro version, it will be on another level. So the pro version will be fully automated. You can take, it will also have a take profit, trailing take profit. It will alert you when to take profit. It will also have a stop loss. It will also have a trailing stop loss. There are many more updates are yet to come. So this is just the beginning. So if you consider 15-minute chart, that's why I told 15-minute chart is very well for BitMEX. If I see for a, let's say around 5-minute chart, for 15 minutes it performed 88%, but for 5 minutes it's around 70%. So we took 93 total trades starting from uh, 1st of April. So 15 minutes actually is good for BitMEX, since when you take trade, you take quality trades. Out of 14 trades, only one trade is a loss. Rest all rest all trades are in green. So you can see the performance of this particular indicator. I think it beats all the other indicators out there in the market. So you can see the profit hit rate is around 13 out of 14 times it's correct. So you can see, so if you calculate, it's around 92.86% of the time it is correct. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this session excites you. So how to get this particular indicator, I will put everything in the description below. So please subscribe to my channel, so that if we have more number of subscribers, we can reach to more number of people and we can grow together. So once this particular indicator, I'm still improving this indicator, so I'm still not satisfied with this. This is much more than any other indicator that is performing out there in the market, but still uh, I'm also introducing many more features in this. So if you want to get this indicator, uh, please go through the link down below in the description, and hope to see you in another video. In another video, I will give you some free indicators which I have developed, and those indicators will perform very well. The performance of those indicators is far better than the other indicators. So the next video, I will give you 2 3 free indicators which I have coded and modified it, and back tested it also. So I will share the performance of those indicators. This indicator is something special, and it's pro version. See, you can 3.8x in 4 days. It's unbelievable performance. I have showcased it to you in front of you only. So you can you can see you can see for yourself how this indicator has performed. All you need to do is keep one tab of this particular indicator, and another tab you can trade BitMEX. You can become a money printing machine. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.